Hey, hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to set up the VNyan Healthbar prop, so that way you can have very dynamic interactions with your avatar. So let's say somebody throws a rubber ducky in your face and you die, but you want the health bar to pop up on your head to show you died. Well, we're gonna be doing that. Now, all thanks to Feline for the not only the node graph for the health bar prop, but also the prop itself. So I'll leave in the description below where you can download the assets for the health bar prop. So we're basically going to be using those two basically. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to set up our health bar. So go ahead to props, then you're gonna add a prop and you're gonna add the health bar, the VNyan prop file here, the health bar. And then of course you're going to, we'll actually be able to set this up later, because of course as you can see, where is it? Where is the health bar prop? Well, we also gotta load the graph as well, and then we're gonna do some tweaking with the settings, so that way it'll be according to what we want. So hold this on for a little moment. Hold this a little bit. But basically what we're gonna do is we're going to go to node graphs here. We're gonna make a new node graph right here, like this, add new graph. Click on load, and you're going to load the health bar JSON file that Feline has shared. So you're gonna load that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to find the application start node right here and right click and send the signal. And as you can see, we can see the health bar right there. So you're going to probably have to, I believe there's a button here to set a hotkey so you can see it. Otherwise you can just click on application start multiple times and just kind of adjust your health bar prop from there basically. But you can also, oh yeah, that's right. Over here, there is the timer here for hiding. So, because again, it's supposed to hide automatically, so it's not always up there. So you can quickly temporarily, which I'm sorry for going really fast right now, but basically on the blue right here, right? Quickly, just for the time being, set this to be visible, just for the time being. We will set this back to hidden really quick. Do application start, right click and send signal. The health bar is all the way up there. This is just so we can adjust it real quickly. So let's go ahead and adjust. So with the props window here, we just gonna adjust there until it's to what you like. Then once you have the health bar to however you want basically, then you can go back over to the blue area here and set this to set hidden so it's automatically off. But of course, what if we want to change the colors of the change the colors of the health bar? Like let's say I want blue hearts instead of red hearts. So again, make sure this is set to visible for the time being. You'll have to set it back to hidden when you're done. Basically what you're going to do is over here you can be able to see the colors basically. You can set according to what you want. So right now it is set to a red color, so this is basically the red, green, blue, and alpha basically. So you can set it to according to however you want it basically. So let's say I don't know, let's say we could just change the values basically. I'm just kind of like thinking random right now because I'm like, okay, change it to whatever value. You also do have to do the application start, by the way, because VNyan doesn't automatically update until you do the application start. So do keep that in mind. But basically you just set up to like 1 basically. So if you want like a light blue color, set this green 2 and blue 2 as 1s. You can have like a teal color. If you want like maybe a darker blue, you could set just B2 as 1. And then if you want dark, just greens on the hearts, you can set it up like this. And then of course if you want red again, set it to R2 to be 1 basically. And then for these here, by the way, so this one here is for the inner heart, the green ones. And then over here on the red basically, right? These are going to be the outer the outer heart outline basically. So you can experiment however you want. Let's say for instance I want my hearts to be teal and with a white outline. I can do it like this. So basically just mess it from the value between 0 and 1. It also even explains here as well. You can see the notes here. Regarding the setup. But yeah, so basically I can have my hearts like this. They do give me Undertale vibes. And yeah, and after that, then you can set this back to set hidden once you have the colors set up and such. So set this one back to hidden and then do application start. And then it should be able to auto hide like that. And therefore, your health bar is properly set up basically. So what we need to do now is that if you already have like a redeem, like let's say for instance, a throw item or anything like that, we do need to get so it has the item tag. So it shows as an example, as you can see here. So there's a hotkey as a test here, where basically you can have throw item, you can set it however you want, but this item tag here, if it's named damage, it will be impacted by the health bar. Because if I go do this right now real quickly, just a quick demonstration for you. If I were to connect these together, toss apples in my face, right, and I right click and send signal, you can see how it's not activating the health bar. It's not. But when I put the item tag as damage, like this, and I do this, then it's actually going to cause damage. So I can make it, let's say we're going to toss 10 apples at me. Maybe 10 more. And then it should automatically yeet and, well, I'm dead. Ugh. So yeah, that's basically how you can be able to set up the health bar properly. Now, like I said, it really depends on what you want. But this goes for throw items. This also goes for drop items. Drop items, you just put damage right here under item tag, and you can be able to have it where it does, impact your character basically. So yeah. So you can basically just do that. And for the most part, basically, you can even, of course, have it where you can have food heal you, by the way, as it shows here in this part of the node. So let's say, for instance, on graph, let's make a channel point redeem where I have food, right? Real quickly. So channel point, food right there. Connect these together. Let's say a burger, right? And I will need hand tracking to do this, unless for your case you have an animation or a pose that will feed your avatar without hand tracking, but I have leap motion. You can also use webcam hand tracking, which I did make tutorials on how to set those up for VNyan. But basically, let's say we're going to have it so it's on my right hand, or maybe left hand actually. Right click, send signal. So let's say I have a burger, right? And then, this might be a little tricky for me to reach. Actually, let me set the collider up here. Actually, not this one. This one. Here. There you go. Nom 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 nom. So yeah. But as you see though, when I ate the burger, it didn't heal the health bar because there is an item tag right there. So the item tag for this one, basically, let's see here. I believe it's called heal. Let me double check. Yeah, so there's the damage one and then collision. I'm gonna type heal right here. So the collision will be food and it's heal basically. So let me go ahead and have the item tag here set to heal. Let me see if this will work. Or I think, oh yeah, the health bar must be already full probably. Let me hit myself a few times. Awa. And then, there you go, see? So there you go. It should be able to do it by default. Let me double check. I will double check, mid-tutorial. Awa. So yeah, hit the katana. Okay, so yes, it'll do it by default, but if you want to add an item tag, you can do that. Like, let's say, for instance, with the food, let's say you have, like, let's say, the food, for instance, right? Like, let's say for a burger, it doesn't heal you, but let's say you have, I don't know, a heal kit that spawns from your chat. Your chat gives you, like, a med kit or something like that for funsies. You can have just the med kit actually heal you specifically while the food doesn't. You could do a cool thing like that, basically, if you really want to. But yeah, basically though, that's pretty much how you can be able to do that. You can set up the item tag for the food collision or anything like that, so it'll heal. It should also auto heal as well, basically. But yeah, and for the most part, pretty much, it should be very straightforward. The health bar prop here, or the health node graph here, explains pretty much everything basically that you need to know, and I pretty much just kind of showed you like how I kind of messed with the health bar prop up, and as you can see, it was auto healing. Yes. So yeah, and yeah, you can set the auto heal timer right here in the show time. So you can adjust the timing if maybe it hides too quickly or heals too quickly or anything like that, or even food heal, like how much health it will restore and such. So yeah, again, overall, this is pretty much how you can set up the health bar prop, and yeah, you can have very dynamic interaction with your chat, so you can make your streams a lot more dynamic and fun. I hope that this tutorial does help you out though, and have a lovely day, and thank you so much, Feline, for providing this health bar prop to the community, and have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!